to reset Windows security on Windows Defender. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you reset your Windows security or your Windows Defender. So first of all, go to the search icon and go to Windows Security and right click to open its app settings. Scroll down and reset it, and this app will be reinstalled and go back to its default settings. The second option you can go for is go to the search button and click Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Now type this command and click enter. Another method to reset is to open the command prompt, search in the search bar, search CMD in the search bar and run it as an administrator. Now here, type this command and enter. This is how you can reset your Windows security or Windows Defender. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. See you in the next video.